Hey everyone! Welcome back to Success Seat, your one-stop channel for interview strategies, real experiences, and career tips. In today's video, I'm sharing a real TCS Digital Interview experience that took place on June 2024. The candidate is from an E background, and yes, despite not being from CSE, he confidently faced technical questions, coding tasks, and HR rounds. Let's dive into the complete breakdown, and trust me, if you are preparing for TCS, this will help a lot. Technical round, TR. Let's begin with the technical round, where questions were based solely on what was mentioned in the resume. Question: introduce yourself, but only technical points. Tip: skip strengths, hobbies, or soft skills. Focus on programming languages, frameworks, tools, certifications, and projects. Show your technical exposure clearly. Example: I've worked with Java, React.js, and completed a project on so and so. Question: write a program to find the maximum number in an array. This is a basic DSA question, often asked to test how clearly you write logic. Remember to explain your approach while writing the code. Question: write basic HTML syntax. Even simple skills like HTML can be tested if mentioned in your resume. Always be prepared to write the structure, like, etc. Question: explain threads in Java. Be clear about multithreading, how to create threads using thread class or runnable, and why we use them, like improving performance, parallel tasks. Question: what is method overloading and overriding? Give real-life examples. Tip: use analogies. Overloading: same method name, different parameters, like multiple constructors. Overriding: same method name, same parameters, but different class, parent-child relationship. Real-life example: a smartphone camera app can click photos, but in some phones it also scans documents or barcodes. That's overriding based on implementation. Question: what is a wrapper class? Explain how Java uses wrapper classes like integer, double, etc. to convert primitive types into objects, useful in collections like ArrayList. Managerial round, MR. Now let's move on to the managerial round, more focused on your thinking, adaptability, and decision-making. Question: why did you choose IT after E? Tip: be honest. Explain how you developed interest in coding, or how your skills align more with tech roles. Question: are you willing to relocate? The best answer is yes, unless you have a genuine restriction. Question: are you already placed? Answer honestly. If not placed, say you are actively looking and continuously learning. Question: are you comfortable with night shifts? You can say, yes, I'm flexible and ready to adapt based on project needs. Question: did you publish any research papers? If yes, be ready to explain your paper's objective, methodology, and result in 30 to 60 seconds. Question: did you attend other interviews? Which companies? Again, be transparent. Mention a couple of names if asked. They also asked about family, usually to get an idea of your background, not to judge. And finally, the HR round. This is where attitude, flexibility, and honesty matter most. Question: are you willing to relocate? Repeat your willingness and readiness for different work locations. Question: night shift, yes or no? Yes, I understand that project demands vary. I'm okay with it. Question: tell me one failure in your life. Don't say, I never failed. Choose something small but meaningful, like failing an internal coding contest, and how it motivated you to practice harder. Question: mention one negative thing about TCS. This is tricky. Never say anything offensive. You can say, "I've heard onboarding delays sometimes happen. But I also know TCS ensures thorough training before allocating to a project." Be diplomatic, balance honesty with professionalism. Final suggestions: prepare the basics well: HTML, arrays, OOPS, threading, especially topics from your resume. Practice 2 to 3 short technical intros, 1 general, 1 technical only. Be calm and confident. Even if you are from a non-CS background, companies like TCS value adaptability and willingness to learn. That's the full TCS Digital Interview experience. I hope this helped you get real clarity on what to expect. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to Success Seat for more real experiences and tips coming your way. Until then, keep learning, keep coding, and all the best for your interviews.